My name is Tae Kim, CPA, and I've been working in the field of income taxation for nearly 13 years, advising individuals and business owners on tax compliance, planning, and strategy. When most people think about taxes, they think about filing a return once a year, getting their tax refunds, or having to pay taxes to IRS. It's viewed as a deadline to meet, something to complete after the year is already over. But the reality is, the most meaningful tax-saving opportunities do not happen during tax season. They happen throughout the year. A question we often hear is, why am I paying so much in taxes? What could we do differently? However, by the time you ask that question during the tax season, most of the decisions that impact your outcome is already been made. At that point, there is very little that can be changed. Tax planning, by definition, has to be proactive. If you want to see a meaningful difference in your tax results, it requires planning ahead, building a strategy, making timely decisions, and forecasting your tax position months and even years in advance. Many individuals and business owners attempt to navigate this on their own. They search online, consult AI tools, and even consult with many different CPAs or tax attorneys. While there is no shortage of information available, this often leads to an overwhelming amount of information overload without a clear path forward or coordinated strategy. Instead of clarity, it creates additional complexity and adds to an already demanding workload you may already have. At our firm, our approach is centered on structure, clarity, and execution. We do not simply provide tax advice. We develop a comprehensive, customized, and tailored tax plan to your specific situation. Throughout the year, we monitor your taxable income, track changes in your financial position, and provide ongoing projections of your tax liability throughout the year. Most importantly, we work alongside you to implement each strategy in a timely and practical manner with proper documentation and support. The end result is that when your tax return is ultimately prepared and filed, it reflects the outcome of a well-executed tax plan and not a last-minute effort to minimize taxes after the fact. There is also a common misconception that CPAs are limited to tax return preparation only. In reality, the tax professional who prepares and files your tax return has the most comprehensive understanding of your tax situation, your income deductions, credits, and overall tax exposure, because their work directly determines your final tax results. For that reason, I strongly believe that tax planning and tax preparation should be provided by the same tax professional who understands your tax situation in detail, the tax plans and the strategies behind it. Our annual comprehensive tax planning service is designed with a structured, year-round approach focused on quarterly meetings. In the first quarter, which is in April through June, we conduct a detailed review of your prior year tax return. We analyze what occurred, we identify the opportunities for improvement, and incorporate any new tax law changes. From there, we establish a clear forward-looking tax strategy for the current year. In the second quarter, which happens around July through September, we begin implementing the strategies developed earlier in the year. During this period, we continuously monitor your financial activity, we evaluate the effectiveness of the tax plan, and address any changes or concerns that arise. On the third quarter, which is around October through December, we perform a comprehensive year-end tax projection. This is a critical stage as it allows you to see a clear estimate of your tax liability before the year is done. With this information, you're able to make informed and final decisions before the year end and implement any additional strategies or maintain your current course with full visibility and confidence. In the fourth quarter, which happens around January through March, we transition into tax season with a structured kickoff meeting. We align on expectations for the filing process and implement any time-sensitive strategies that must be completed before filing deadlines. This may include items such as IRA contributions, TTS elections, 1031 exchanges, PTE credit elections, and other deadline-driven opportunities. The benefit of this approach is that you are not left to manage these decisions on your own. We act as a consistent partner throughout the year, providing guidance, assisting with implementation, and ensuring that all strategies are properly documented and aligned with your current tax regulations. In addition, you gain ongoing visibility into your tax position. Rather than waiting until the end of the year, you will have a clear expectation of your tax liability as the year progresses. This allows for more effective cash flow planning, better financial decision making, and fewer surprises. To make sure the effectiveness of this process, there are a few important requirements. Our client must maintain consistent monthly accounting and bookkeeping with updated financial statements available prior to each quarterly meetings. This allows us to provide accurate analysis and timely recommendations. Additionally, a general understanding of how individual and business taxation works is important. If you're looking for a more structured, proactive, and results-driven approach to your taxes, one that focuses not only on compliance, but also on planning and execution, we will welcome the opportunity to speak with you. Feel free to contact our office to discuss whether our annual comprehensive tax planning service is the right fit for your needs.